Managing palettes, it's another way to organize information. A palette is a window that you can dock or float like a toolbar. You can make it visible coming to this view menu and then doing tool palettes. So you can see that we have displayed this, we will call it a dialog box, but it's not a dialog box, it's a set of tabs, and inside they have commands. So first we can dock it or not in several places of our screen, or leave it floating. And you can see that we have tabs that organize different information inside. We can create other palettes and we can manage the information that is displayed here. So we can create a new palette, delete something that you already have, or rename it. Creating a new palette, just give it a name, okay? And then you can also put your own commands, your own group of commands inside this new palette. One or more if you want. So simply do these customized commands also with a right mouse click. You'll get this window and simply click in one of the commands that is displayed. You drag it and let it go when on top of the palette. And this way you can organize by groups of functions or your own organization what you want in each of the palettes. If you don't want a palette, simply also do a right mouse click and do the delete. Everything will move away. Being a floating window, if you do the close, it will disappear and you'll get the initial display status of AutoCAD.